Hello, and thank you for joining me today on the floor of my kitchen. In one of my lives, somebody asked me about different ways to save money. Now, in order to save money, on occasion, you have to spend it. And that's exactly what I did with the brand new Whirlpool dishwasher behind me. And no, I'm not paid by Whirlpool, wish I was. So it ran me about $600, $350 for the install. Before this dishwasher went in, there was a non-functional unit, which meant for the last year, I've been washing my dishes by hand in the sink. And that led to water bills that were pretty high because I guess I used a lot of water. Going forward, I should save $20 a month on my water bill. So that's about $240 a year in savings, although my electricity bill will go up slightly. And then, of course, there's the time savings. It would take me 30 minutes a week to wash by hand. Now I will save 25 hours a year with the dishwasher. Over 2 years, it'll be 50 hours. Not to mention the dishwasher actually does a better job cleaning the dishes than I ever did by hand. So something to think about.